In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Meta AI and how to use it for your business. Let's start by getting to Meta AI. Open your web browser and head to Google. This keeps things simple and works the same on desktop and mobile. In the search bar, type Meta AI. You'll see results from Meta. Click the official Meta AI link so you land on the correct page and avoid unofficial tools or lookalikes. Once you're there, here's what you're looking at. Meta AI is Meta's generative AI assistant built into Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and the web. It's powered by Llama technology and is designed to help you generate content, answer questions, automate simple tasks, and even create images. For businesses, the advantage is huge. You're using AI directly inside the platforms where your customers already spend time, which reduces friction and speeds up your workflow. Now, let's put it to work for something every business needs: faster content creation. You can instantly produce social media captions, product descriptions, ad copy, blog intros, and customer responses. The key is to be specific about your audience, tone, and goal. For example, try this prompt. Create 10 Instagram captions promoting my facial skincare product for young professionals. After Meta AI generates options, skim for voice and accuracy, then tweak any brand details or claims to match your guidelines. You can also lean on Meta AI for marketing strategy. If you're unsure what to post or when to schedule, ask it to outline a plan you can follow. A good starting prompt is, make a 7-day social media plan for my small cafe, including content ideas and posting schedule. Use the output as a draft, then adjust based on your real opening hours, busy times, and any promotions. The more context you provide, location, target audience, and offer, the more practical the plan becomes. Finally, let's look at sales copy. Clear, persuasive descriptions move customers to action, and Meta AI can help you generate a polished first draft. Try this. Write a convincing product description for a hydrating serum targeted at Gen Z buyers. Ask for benefits-forward language, highlight key ingredients, and keep the tone energetic and concise. Always review for accuracy and compliance, and add your brand voice before publishing. That's it. You searched for Meta AI on Google, clicked the official site, learned what it is, and saw how to use it for content creation, marketing planning, and sales copy. Start small, refine your prompts, and let Meta AI speed up the parts of your workflow that take the longest.